Morgan.
That's what I meant.
Morgan. Catch! Hey guys, so yesterday my roommate and I went thrift shopping. Wow. So I got a big bag of stuff. We went to the Goodwill. It's good for your will. So I'm just gonna start. So first of all, disclaimer, I will be cutting these and I will be trying them on and I will be showing you what they look like. I got this Metz t-shirt from, wait for it, the men's section. Do not underestimate the men's section. This is what it looks like. It says Metz number 31. It's Piazza. Pretty sure he doesn't play anymore. It's fine. Okay. The second shirt that I got was also, I think, from the men's section. And it is this Alaskan license plate. I think it's what it's supposed to be. Yeah. The last Frontier. What? The last
Frontier?
Come look at this. You can't tell me that that at first glance doesn't look like a B. And then I didn't even see the F.
That definitely looks like a B.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm not an idiot. It says The Last Frontier, Alaska. It's a little Alaskan license plate and it says established in 1959. It's a little history lesson for you. So, again, ladies, men's section. This other t-shirt I got, whoa. Alright, this one was from the women's section, you know. I actually shopped in my section, you know, but not gonna get into that argument. Yeah, but it says Hawaii, Maui, and Oahu. I thought Oahu was spelled another way, but it's fine. Okay, so basically, it was $2.99, this shirt, and that's it. What?
Did you just throw the shirt?
No. What kind of freaking crazy person would throw a shirt? Next item of business is this extra large freaking Nautica jeans. Oversized sweater. It literally is so soft. It has these cute stripes on the side, which is really giving me some PacSun vibes, but you know, yeah. It's this shirt. This one was $5.99 and probably my favorite. So I also decided that I was gonna get more than just clothing. So I also got this wall decor, which if any of you know me well, I am obsessed with Paris, will one day go to Paris. If I don't go to Paris before I die, I will come back and freaking go to Paris as a ghost. Don't doubt me. Okay, moving on. So then, you know, I like music. I like older music, like from my childhood, because it gives me those vibes, those childhood vibes, those memories. We came across the CDs. So I bought 2 CDs. I bought Maroon 5. Morgan and I were jamming to this last night, and currently the CD is stuck in my car. It's fine. And then the second CD I got was Dixie Chicks, and it literally, it's called Wide Open Spaces, and if you don't know that song, I'm literally, look it up. Wide open spaces and new faces. Alright, I'm done. It's that one, and then there was another song that I like from them. There's another song by them. Pretty sure it's called Traveling Soldier. It's not on this one. Still a good song. It's fine. Yeah, but I got these 2 CDs. They were literally $2.99. Killing the game. But yeah, that was my thrift haul. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Comment, subscribe, like, all of the above. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.